Rubrics are a great way to help standardize grading processes. They can be especially helpful if you have a TA or a grader and want them to follow specific guidelines for grading. To start, ensure Edit Mode is on and scroll down to the Course Management menu under Course Tools and select Rubrics. You are now at the Rubrics menu. To create a new rubric, select Create Rubric. Give your rubric a specific and descriptive name so you remember what you have created it for. Give a description if needed. Scroll down to the rubric detail. The rubric is set up in grid format with a 3x3 grid as a default. You can add rows and columns by pushing the Add Row and Add Column buttons. You can also delete rows and columns by pushing the arrow next to the column or row's name and selecting Delete. Renaming columns and rows is also easy. You can do this by clicking the same arrow and selecting Edit, and then renaming the column or row. Choose the percentage of points that a student would receive for each grid square and define how a student would receive this percentage by typing in the text box. You can also weight the criteria itself so that certain criteria hold more importance than others. Or, to even the weight between all categories, click Balance Weight. Once you are satisfied, hit Submit. When associating a rubric with an assignment, the option to include it will be under the Grading section. Select Add Rubric and choose the rubric of your choice. After a student submits an assignment, you can then grade the attempt using the rubric under the Grade Current Attempt section. Next to Grade, click View Rubric and the rubric will open in a new screen. You can use the achievement buttons to completely categorize the assignment under one category or select boxes individually. A grade will calculate at the bottom and you can choose to use that or adjust it yourself.